For the first part, I used Johnson & Johnson's powder and then I applied Simply Pretty face powder from Avon. And these eyebrow pencils are from Miniso. I just use cotton buds to clean and reshape my eyebrows. My blush on is from NYX. For this video, I used the LA Colors lipstick given on Mother's Day by Papa Hermie. But on normal days, I use the Maybelline Super Stay lipsticks because it sticks on my lips ng matagal and it doesn't pass on the color. Syempre mga mommies, sometimes we kiss our babies and all, so we don't transfer the lipstick to our kids. Mommies, with or without makeup, always remember that you are beautiful, especially in the eyes of our kids. But this pandemic, most of us ay hindi na nakakapag-makeup, so it's okay to try it on once in a while and snap a selfie. God bless you all!